10. Bullseye. The bullseye is a type of egg cooked in a similar way to a poached egg, except that it is cooked in a non-stick pan instead of a pot of water. The egg is placed in the pan and covered with a lid, so that the yolk is also cooked. The bullseye is characterized by a soft yolk and well-cooked egg white, and can be served with toasted bread or other side dishes as desired. Here's how to prepare the bullseye. Ingredients: 1 egg, oil or butter, sale. Preparation: heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a drizzle of oil or a pat of butter. When the oil or butter is hot, crack the egg into the pan and salt lightly. Cover the pan with a lid and cook the egg for about 3 to 4 minutes, depending on the degree of doneness desired. Once the cooking time has elapsed, remove the ox-eye from the pan with a spatula and place it on a plate. Serve the ox-eye hot, accompanied by toasted bread or other side dishes to taste. Tip: to obtain a perfect bullseye, it is important to use fresh eggs and check the degree of cooking during preparation. Also, it is advisable not to beat the egg before placing it in the pan, as this could cause the shell to crack. Some tips for preparing the bullseye. Use fresh eggs. It's important to use fresh eggs to get the perfect bullseye, as older eggs tend to separate easily into egg whites and yolks during cooking. Don't beat the egg before putting it in the pan. To prevent the egg from getting smashed during cooking, it's important not to beat it before putting it in the pan. Also, it's a good idea to crack the egg gently in the pan to prevent the shell from cracking. Check the degree of cooking during preparation. To ensure that the ox-eye is cooked to the right point, it is important to check the degree of cooking during preparation. A perfect ox-eye should have a soft yolk and well-cooked egg white. Serve the ox-eye hot. To best enjoy the ox-eye, it is important to serve it hot, accompanied by toasted bread or other side dishes of your choice.